Spend the day with me, 26 weeks pregnant and some change, but who's counting? I actually got dressed today, so that was a big accomplishment. I've just been feeling like this, exactly like that, death. I've been taking a big shot of espresso depresso, so we're going to change the vibe today. We're putting on some perfume, feeling good about ourselves, until I realize my rings are no longer fitting. If you struggle with body dysmorphia, pregnancy may not be for you, but we're focusing on the positive, and I'm growing a human inside of me. Grab my emotional support water bottle before heading out the door. This is a sad excuse for my office, but this is the nesting project we're working on this week. We're going to get it organized, but first things first, Starbucks. Nothing hits quite like a cheese Danish and a white chocolate Americano. Baby loved it. He was doing backflips. We're heading into IKEA because we're trying to get all of the organization inspo we can. Of course, we had to browse all of the kitchens. There was actually some really cute stuff. I haven't been here in so long. I used to come all the time. So it was fun because I was seeing things that I'd never seen before. If you need an inexpensive storage idea, get the Billy bookcases. These are $69 and they hold so much. I don't know about you, but I'm a trader hoe and proud of it. My favorite section is when you walk in and there's those fresh wraps and salads. They're so delish. I got PB&J Snack Duo, the best yogurt, of course some hash brown, mac and cheese bites. Big Pasta Girl grabbed a few jars, easy peasy, orange chicken, 21 seasonings. The elote corn dippers are everything, the corn puff, the ghost pepper potato chips. We got some good stuff, and then I ended up on the ground. After that, I had to go to the hospital to register me and my unborn child that I will be pushing into the world very soon. Then I came home to quite literally the sweetest package from my favorite oranges. I decided it was time to clean my atrocious makeup desk, if you can even call it that. I took a brief intermission for the best lunch in the world, kava, and then it was back to it. I'll be sharing the whole process of getting the space in order, don't you worry. But that's everything for today. Thanks for hanging with me.